Hi guys, so today we'll be making eba a different way from those three other methods I showed us earlier. So this idea is from Esther Oladunjoye, if I'm pronouncing that well, and Wura Ola Harris. So yeah, in the comment section they said I can make the Garri this other way also. So I decided to try their method. So first you put the water on fire, and then when the water boils, you add your Garri to the water, and then you turn it like you're making semo or you're making amala. So you just keep turning till the Garri forms, till it turns to eba. Okay, yeah, I can make this my fourth method because I've made three methods already. So what should I say about this method? This method is also good, but I still think my first method is the best because that's one, no too much stress, and then it comes out like perfectly well. It comes out soft, everything dawns, there's no what's that word, cocoa, or what should I call it, and all of that. Yeah, and it is less stressful. But this one I find this one a bit stressful. Yeah, I find this one stressful. And again, at the end of the day, who is going to wash the pot? Like I have to like soak the pot first and wait for the dried eba on it to go dry before washing it and all of that. So yeah, I feel my first method is still the best method. But this, you can do this too if you don't feel like using any of my three first methods. So this is how you can make eba a different way apart from the three ways I've showed you. So thanks everybody for the comments in the comment section, and thanks Wuraola and Esther for this idea. I'm making a special shout out to you. Thank you for this idea. So yeah, they just commented and I decided to turn it into a video to see if the thing would actually go well. So I've never made a bar or Garri this way before. I've never made swallow this way before. This is my first time, and yeah, it came out well, but it is stressful. Anyways, please don't forget to like, forget to comment, and please don't forget to subscribe if you've not. Also turn on the notification bell after subscribing so that anytime we post a new video you will be notified. And also let us know in the comment section, apart from these four ways I've posted on how to make eba, is there another way on how to make eba? Because I don't know, I won't be surprised anyways. But is there another way on how to actually make eba or how to actually make Garri? Please feel free to comment in the comment section and let me know if it is something I can try. Like I said, this is my first time making it this way also, so I won't mind trying your method. And also let us know which of our four methods you've tried or which one you've been doing before, and let us know which one you feel is the best. But if you ask me, I would still say the same thing. The first method is still the best. Let us know your name and the country or state you're watching from in the comment section so that we can make a special shout out to you. If you're an old viewer, thank you for coming back, check out our videos. If you're a new viewer, thank you for opening our video. Actually, thank you. We love and appreciate you all, both old and new viewers. So yeah, I think I'm ready. So now let us see the result. So this is the outcome. It actually came out well too, but I still prefer my first method, and I'll still keep saying it. I prefer my first method, but yeah, it still came out well. So the four methods are okay. So pick whatever method you want or you feel will be okay for you. Thanks for watching.